Hi, I'm Adrian, co-founder of Light Blue Optics, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use Kaptivo to share your whiteboard securely with anyone. All you need is a web browser. Simply go to the Kaptivo website, press a button, and you're ready to share. With Kaptivo running, everything you write on the whiteboard is shared with participants. It's updated in real time. You just use the whiteboard as you'd normally do. Just write, brainstorm, anything you want. With Kaptivo, sharing becomes effortless. Simply attach a Kaptivo to your whiteboard, connect it to your wireless network, and computers, tablets, phones can all connect via our cloud service. Everything's stored automatically. There's no need to take notes anymore. And when you erase content, Kaptivo is smart enough to store slides automatically for later recall. So you don't need to worry about losing anything on the whiteboard either. Kaptivo has so many great features. Low cost, use any whiteboard, automatic capture, and so much more. There's a lot to learn about that you can find on the Kickstarter page. I'll show you just a couple of features of the software. In addition to the live sharing, we can download the whole meeting as a PDF. Share your notes automatically. No need to manually write anything down during the meeting anymore. And the history is always viewable. You can see how the board started, the first slide that I made, and what's on the board right now. And that's all automatic, and no need to press buttons when the content changes. And from the Kaptivo app, you can invite users to join your session, save slides out, all the functionality you'd need just from the web. So no software needs to be downloaded, no apps required. Everything's so straightforward. And when you're done, simply end your share, and your meeting notes are saved automatically.